MaintainPad is
a complete maintenance management system.
A suite, you could call it, of applications.
Designed to help property managers,
manufacturing, restaurants, care homes,
schools, education, universities,
and digitise things that would normally take a lot of effort, kind of made easy.
We worked with a lot of businesses of different backgrounds across the world actually. We kept coming across the similar sort of trends and patterns. They felt a little bit disconnected but also a little bit out of control because the data or information of their assets or maintenance were coming from all different angles around the clock, and we decided to take the plunge ourselves, a complete end-to-end maintenance platform.
If you're a property manager, you have to communicate with tenants, landlords, suppliers, contractors.
All of those things are automatically captured in the app.
So from the tenant reporting the repair, they can take a picture, give you a short description.
The landlord can look at the problem and approve a repair, assign a contractor.
Tenant notification allows tenants to be informed of when to be in. For example, if the contractor or engineer is on their way, it gives the contractors a checklist to follow for every type of job.
The tenants give you feedback.
you make sure that everything is complete.
Our keys management app is a solution that helps you track your keys. You scan the QR code on a key tag, and that key is checked out.
E-tenancy is the electronic version of your tenancy agreements.
Tenants can sign the documents. Automatically, the document gets sent to the next person.
Ultimately, it's happiness when everything is running like clockwork.
So MaintainPad could actually help you to keep safe during COVID times because it gets rid of unnecessary contact, relax them the knowledge that you know you're in control.
End-to-end communication, end-to-end solution.